everyone. So we're here today to start doing our advanced hair system restoration. Just selection here of the products that we're going to be using. Initially, when you come in, you will have this, which is called a cryo test. So this is a DNA sampling kit. So instead of guessing what your hair responds to, we do DNA testing, which will tell us. So it cuts out all the expensive, you go and trying this, go and trying that, and nothing really works. Just the leaflet inside tells you step by step just how to do the test. It's basically a buccal swab, which is really simple. Gets sent away, takes a few weeks to come back. A little consent form in the inside that one stays with us and one sends off. The little swab inside. So really simple and lets you know exactly what's happening. We're also at the moment doing a trial with Calcium, who are a stem cell company, and these are the stem cells. So we're looking for 4 people who are willing to get involved in the trial that we're doing. These are the little stem cells here, and we dermal roller with a 1mm dermal roller into the scalp these products. You have 6 treatments. There's enough there to do 6 times plus take home as well. So pretty straightforward. The trial, obviously, as I said, we're looking for 4 people to do this trial with us. We have had candidates so far, and I think out of all the candidates we've had, we've only had 2 who are suitable for it. So still looking for another 2. So the tricho test will be done independently as well. So once you've finished the trial, we will then look at your aftercare from what the tricho test actually suggests you use. So it's an ongoing thing, which hair restoration is. You know, your hair still grows, sheds, whatever. You know, you might have balding, you might have. So yeah, once you've been involved in the testing that we're doing and using the calcium products, then we'll go on to look at what your DNA testing shows, and then thereafter you'll go on to the maintenance program using whether it be shampoo, it might be a mousse, might be an oil, whatever it suggests that you need. But as I said, the tricho test just cuts out all that, will I try Mixidol, will I try this in boots, will I try that, you know. You're using these things, you're flinging away your money, you don't really know if they're going to work for you. The DNA testing does what it says on the tin. And then I get the prescription back, and I thereafter give you the prescription of what you need, and then that's you for the rest of the term. You just stay on that. We'll keep in contact with you, obviously, because you're involved in our trial. Those who are unsuccessful and we don't choose for the trial, feel free to give us a shout and get the DNA testing done. There's absolutely no, you can still do that, and we can still obviously prescribe you whatever the DNA results come back and say that you need. So don't feel that, just because you're not suitable for the trial, you're not suitable for DNA testing and ongoing treatments, because you will be. Okay, so yeah, give us a shout, and either if you're interested in doing the trial or if you want to just do the DNA test and do the rest of the stuff at home yourself, please give us a shout this week, because we're hoping to get this started the week after next. Okay, thank you.